Hey people, how's about a little rock workshop? Up here in Rancho Santa Fe, that job I showed you guys in a video before, I think. And I want to show you the water feature that was started and why they brought me in. You can tell this thing looks kind of, you know, something's not right. It doesn't look like rock's that good. So what we did was we added concrete to get more ups and downs. You need to vary the stones so they look like they're separate. This thing looked very much all the same. So we wanted to vary that, so we're kicking those up a little bit, build that corner up. They're all totally round and lumpy too, as you can see as I walk around. And the individual that did this just didn't really have it down. The human, you know, humans have a tendency to make things symmetrical. You have to kind of fight that tendency. The bottom, you know, just scaly. It just doesn't look natural at all. It looks like they tried to do some kind of stamping, and you can tell it was too wet, or they didn't have a good release agent to peel off the stamps. I'm not sure what was going on there, and then they just sort of hacked in some lines in the wet mud and then called it good. I have a feeling they were let go due to that. So what we're going to do is we're going to resurface this a little bit. We don't want to rebuild the whole thing. We want to resurface it. So this is what we're going to be working on a little bit today, and we're just using the spec mix from Home Depot. You know, a little acrylic admix. You always want to put acrylic in there, and it makes it stronger, makes it stick to the surface you're going to be adding to it, especially if it's a cold joint. That's an old piece of concrete that's still that's not anymore going off. It's done. It's been cooking for years maybe, or even a few days. So you want it to stick to your work when you're putting stuff on there. So anyways, that's a little rock workshop. So have a good one, y'all. See ya.